You know what I did today? I love this country. I don't want to hear it. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. Good morning. Welcome back to the vlogs. Today's December 9th, I believe. I'm all dressed up because your girl's going to work. Feeling really comfortable though. I really don't feel like wearing makeup today, so I'm not going to. I'm kind of just going to work the comfy, chic vibe. That's the vibe for today. It snowed, which kind of sucks, but I live in Canada. What can I say? I can't find any of my things today. Where are my earrings? I don't know.
Someone told me.
Today's hopefully the day that we get to sorry, you can't see me. Today is hopefully the day that we decorate the Christmas tree because it's still not done and it has to get done at some point. I think I look super cute today. I actually really like this dress. Very comfortable. Kind of like grandma-like, but it's like you're wearing nothing.
If there's no love, then there's no lust. Whatever you got, I'm about to give it up.
I love this country. I love it. Why? Why? I don't even understand it. I'll try not to complain all day, okay? That's what I'm gonna try to do. Hey, hey, hey. What's up, y'all? It's your girl. It's your girl, Jen J. Welcome back to the vlog. So we missed a couple of days. And you know what? Your girl was tired. I needed a break. It's not even so much like YouTube / influencer life. It's work. Real work has been crazy. Anyways, I think we're in the clear now. It's gonna be okay. So I'm actually home going to make some soup because that's what I feel like having. I'm going to make a tomato parm soup, although I don't really have bread. Like some baguettes would have been nice with it, but we're just gonna make it do what it do. But you know what? Let's just chop these things up. I'll show you guys what I usually use. Okay, first of all, I don't wanna hear it. I don't want anybody to say anything about my plant unless you have some advice, okay? If you have some advice, cool. If not, she is making me look so bad. Y'all, shit is dry and it's not even my fault. I love her. I take care of her. I don't even know what she wants anymore, but whatever. Anyways, we have some oregano, basil, onion, butter, some Parmesan, of course, tomatoes, and we also have some chicken stock. I think that's basically all I need. Maybe some garlic or something, but that's basically all I'm gonna use to make the soup. So let's do this quickly. And I really like making this soup because it's easy to make, simple ingredients, but tastes so good. First of all, I'm crying from cutting the onions. But I'm hoping that today's the day that we decorate the tree because we still haven't done that. And I wanted to do it yesterday and I also wanted to do it the day before. But child, your girl just been so tired. Anyways, back to cooking. While this is happening, it really won't hurt nobody if we get some apple juice. You know what I'm saying? This soup is so easy to make and very simple ingredients. Gotta like let it simmer. If you have an immersion blender, is that what they're called? If you have one of those, it's even faster. I don't, so I use the blender, but I'll show you what I do soon. Meanwhile, let's go get our Christmas decorations. There we go. Doesn't look like much, but it's gonna do. So I know I had all these plans to decorate the tree. I'm not. It's time to chill. And we'll pick this back up tomorrow. Good morning. So today's actually the first day that I'm actually home all day and not going to work. So I'm so excited to be here. It's been a while since I just worked from home, and you know. I actually plan on just chilling today, to be honest. I want to actually work out. Last time I worked out, you guys know, it was like last week. So I actually want to work out. I want to just chill. Obviously I have to work, but I don't want to work that hard. Binge watch girlfriends. I need to clean the house. I'm gonna do that. Yeah, that is it. Today's gonna be a good day. Given that Costco delivers, honestly, I shall never leave the house.
I guess I picked the right kid.
Listen, you know what I did today? Nothing. And I don't even feel bad about it. I actually feel so good. Girl, it's been a while since I did nothing. I watched like a season of Girlfriends. I watched Designated Survivor when I got bored, took a little nap. It was a great day. Now that I'm up, it's 4:51. I think I have a live with Haitian who blogs. Shout out to Shirley. I have a live with her at 6:15, so I'm actually going to clean up the house because it's a mess. My Costco order came in and is just sitting here. I have stuff back there. The living room's kind of a mess too. I'm gonna clean that up quickly, shower, get myself dolled up. I also have a video that I should probably put up. Okay, let me tell you something. So I have a video that I've been sitting on for 3 days. 3 days, because I just kind of feel like it's not good enough. I've been having a lot of that lately where I create content and I just feel like it's not good enough, so I don't upload it. And one of the reasons why I wanted to do Vlogmas is so that it forces me to put these content out. And I literally was up till midnight editing the video, and then I never uploaded it because I just feel like no one's going to watch it. Basically, I'm shooting myself in the foot even before you see it. So instead of letting you decide, I'm deciding for you. Anyways, it's kind of twisted, but I don't know, maybe it's something every content creator go through, but it's been really bad for me lately where I just feel like it's not really inspiring anybody. It's not adding value to the world. And I don't know, I just feel like maybe I need a thinking day to really plan out my content, what I want to talk about, how I want to go about it. But for now, I'm kind of struggling. So I'm going to push myself to put the video out because it's done, it's edited. I just have to like wrap it up and upload it. So I'm gonna force myself and do it today. I do what they copy, vlog first a little bit. have dinner, which is takeout food. Relax, enjoy myself. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed today's vlog. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.